Good morning. I'm down here at Duck Creek Boat Launch, right next to River's Bend. You see it there. Gonna go out. There's a couple trailers in the parking lot, which is very rare, so I'm thinking they might be catching some perch out here. I'm gonna grab my stuff and get started. It's the end of September, super early in the morning, about 6:30, and gonna try for some perch and try for some lures after that, maybe some bass or northern. I'm gonna get started. See you in a bit. Whoa! I saw him come and get it too. How cool is that? Must be a northern day. Whoa, don't lose my paddle. Be a long swim back with my hands. Look at that thing. Feisty. Not quite ready yet. Almost. Well, here my players is. You are really hooked. Don't worry, we'll get you out of here. Check him out. There he wants to go. There he goes. Oh, I had two perch on at once. Right behind good old Doc's Harley Davidson. Oh, he hit the... Does he get the fly? Nope, he got the gold hook. Little perch. Haha. Beautiful colors. Holy man. Yeah. Amazing. Look at that monster. He's like a whole 4 inches long. Oh, another sunfish. Yeah, a little perch. He hit the gold hook too. Yikes. Settle down, buddy. You're going back in. As soon as it hits the water, little guys are eating it. That's why you can't get the big ones. Settle down, buddy. You get you off of there. Yep, there's the water. There you go. Sunfish. How cool is that? He prefers the gold hook. Guess we're gold hook or fly. Beautiful colors. There you go. Yeah, he likes the gold hook too. Oh, I thought I felt a little tick. Yep, they're going for the gold hook. Looks like the gold hook's winning so far. Early on, I was getting most of my fish on the flies. Now they're going for the gold hook. Whoa! I took my bobber off to check the depth because I was using the float, keep it off the bottom. I caught a perch and he bit the fly, so maybe that's my trick. Just fish the bottom. Whoa. Sure enough. I have a feeling it's going to be a lot of fish. Hey, settle down. That's a nice one. Let's see, caught him on the fly too. Huh. Fishing the bottom with the fly. Oh my goodness. That is definitely the smallest perch I ever had. And he went for the gold hook. Ooh, a nice one actually. Look at that. I think he might want to eat you. We got the camera in the background saying, ooh, nice big perch. Yeah, he's pretty small. Ooh, see? Got a little bigger. Next one could be bigger yet. Yep, they're little. Biting on the gold hook this time. Snagging them now. There's so many. Check that out. Snagged them right in the fin. Ooh, little sunfish. Biting on the fly. Whoa, calm down. Duck Creek's full of them. Caught so many of these guys, I want to put a lure on pretty soon and try to get something bigger. Perch, perch, perch. You don't even need bait. Let's get a little jig like this. I do have a smidge of a worm on there, but I don't think that's it. You don't even need bait. Whoa, big one. All right. What do we got, man? Big northern. How cool is that? Late in my drag or I'm gonna lose them. Check them out. Yes. I was out catching perch all morning, put on a lure. Didn't think I'd get anything because all the perch in there. Let's bring them over and get them off. Slippery guy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where'd my pliers go? There it is. Take a peek at you before we send you back. Whoa, goodbye, buddy. Hey, so I had a great day on Duck Creek. All sorts of perch. Perch, sunfish, must have had 5 sunfish. A few northern, large bass. Hope you enjoyed the video. Get out here, try it out. Put in right next to Rivers Bend, Memorial Park. Rivers Bend is right there. Pretty much the same parking lot. Just went upstream a little bit, didn't go very far, behind Harley Davidson there. Just fished between the two places, did amazing. Until next time,